Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get to the Christmas Island and fish it without using a boat. So this instant teleport method will save you so much time during the new Christmas event update. So the first thing that you need to do on the Fisherman Island, you can just walk to the left side of the docks, go in here, and you can just go down and look for the teleport icon. This one, this door's right here, so you can just teleport and you can just click on yes to instantly arrive at the Christmas Island. And there you go, now you'll be on the Christmas Island within seconds. So guys, I hope you've found this trick helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.